Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on index notation worksheets. So this video presents a few slides where we can do some exercises in relation to index notation. Now, if you're not sure what to do here or you're confused by some of these terms, we have had a lesson on this particular topic, and on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's look at these 6 here and see what that involves. For each of the following, find the base or the bases and the index or the indices with respect to the pronumerals only. So index and the plural is indices. So m to the power of 9, we have to write down which part here is the base and which part is the index. And we did see that in the lesson. Over here, we do the same thing, just for the letters, and in particular for number 3, just for the letters only. Don't worry about the numeral or the number in front. So we're just looking at the bases and the index or the indices just for the letters only. This side here we have 4 straightforward questions. What is another name for an index? We saw that in the lesson. What is the term used for a letter that takes the place of a numeral? For number 3, answer true or false. Pronumerals obey the same rules and operations that are obeyed by ordinary numerals. And write true or false for this one. Some terms that use index notation can be shown by using multiplication signs only. Let's look at the next slide. Over here we have 8 examples on this left-hand side, and we're asked to write each of the following using index notation. So each of these expressions here, there are 8 of them, they're all quite long, and they can be written in a very, very short way by using index notation, which involves the use of a base and an index. You might have more than one base, that's fine, and you might have more than one index, in which case you have indices. Again, all those are explained in the lesson. And the last column here, rewrite each of the following in expanded form by using either multiplication or division or both. So this is just going the other way. So here we've got examples of index notation, and we're just going to rewrite each of those terms without index notation, just to show that we can go in the other direction. So this video has introduced us to just a few slides which represent some worksheets where we can practice some exercises on index notation. And the important thing to remember is that on the next slide there is a link. If you need some help, click on the link and that will take you to the lesson.